Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Control Ultimate Edition on PC. Control Ultimate Edition is an excellent adventure game developed by Remedy Entertainment, and the Ultimate Edition includes the base game plus both expansions, the foundation, so you get the full experience in one package. To play it on PC, you need to download it from an official platform. What you can do is you can simply go to your Microsoft Store on the bottom under your PC here, and before downloading make sure your PC can run the game. Over here on the top there's an address bar, type on Control Ultimate Edition and enter it. So over here you can find this option for the Control Ultimate Edition. Click over here as well, and over here you can simply play with the Game Pass. You can click onto this play with Game Pass, or you can simply buy it for the $39 as well. You simply proceed to your payment as well, and you can complete the payment after that, and once purchased it will be appeared in your library as well. And always use official platform like Microsoft Store and games for a safe experience as well. And make sure you have an SSD for faster loading. Update your GPU drivers as well, and after that you can play the game and install it anytime. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.